College Gym Vids fan going live on YouTube. College Gym Vids fan going live on YouTube. College Gym Vids fan going live on YouTube. Okay, this is the third National Day and final National Day video for Wednesday. And I gotta go to my text messages. It's from my mom. Okay, it's National Puppy Day. It says, here's my text. Good morning, Mom. 3/23/22, National Puppy Day. The P emoji for puppy. The B emoji for button. And a bunch of paw prints emoji. Please text me a couple of pics of button to save to my new iPhone 12 mini red 128 gigabyte. Give Paige and Garrett chips and dips after school. National Chip and Dip Day. Okay, it says here she is sleeping, but the phone click woke her up. So when my mom was clicking on the phone to take her picture, it woke her up. So in the first pic, the dog is sleeping. So look, she's in the blanket. Got her head down. She's sleeping. And then my mom taking her picture. So in the second picture, she was like looking at my mom because she doesn't like hearing the click of the phone. And actually, Button is like going to be 11 years old this year. But according to the National Day site, you can celebrate National Puppy Day for all age dogs because, you know, even when they get to be older, they're still puppies at heart, so. And actually, my screensaver is Button and Zippy in my nephew Garrett's playpen. So it was back in 2015, so. I'm going to end this video soon, in less than 20 seconds. And I'm going to charge my phone.